Okay, here is how to match your brand voice with AI content generation. So what you're going to do is, so I'm using Wow AI. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to come into the customization, and here under the customization I have knowledge base. Click on new knowledge base, and here I'm just going to give my website, which is me. And once I click on create knowledge base, it's just going to ask me add assets. So click on add assets, and here it's just going to be website, and here I will enter my website, which is makemoneydraws.com. So I will just give it a name, which is name website my brand. So this way, click on add assets. Once I add assets, it's just gonna create an asset, and it pulls the information, and it reads my entire brand. So this way I can, match my brand voice with the AI content generations. So whenever I go and generate an article, the brand will be matched, and the information which the AI writes, it will be very relevant. And this is how you match your brand voice with the AI content generation using some tools. But in case if you're using ChatGPT, what you can simply do is you have to give a specific prompt whenever you're writing or generating an article. Otherwise, this has a very high chance to hallucinate and write something else or copy information from other website or other brands. So keep in mind.